with a sense of gratitude, honor, and hope that I greet you this Christmas season. This Christmas season, 2021, sees us moving away from the uncertainty of this year towards the opportunities for growth and prosperity in 2022. Every Christmas is special, and this one is no exception. The power of hope, which is faith in things unseen, trusting in and expecting something beneficial in the future. Having hope speaks to our attitude and outlook on life, which will determine the outcome of our lives. Hope is an act of will. Keeping in mind the reason for the season and the embodiment of what it means to each of us, I take this time to wish you all a very blessed and happy Christmas, all my fellow citizens of St. Maarten. This Christmas, I strongly encourage you to lend a hand in the spirit of volunteerism, to spread hope and cheer. Let's continue to show up for each other and gift what we really can't put a price on, our time. I also implore everyone to continue in this same vein all year round as we genuinely, collectively continue to build a great nation. To those who are present with us for Christmas, welcome home. Be safe and enjoy the heartfelt sentiments of being with your family and close friends for the holidays. For those of you unable to be home for Christmas, I pray and hope that the spirit of a St. Maarten Christmas finds and remains with you, and that you can share it with your friends and loved ones wherever you may be. To our students who are not able to make it home for this Christmas, whilst you continue to pursue your dreams, I send you special blessings for the holidays. We recognize your commitment and sacrifice toward the pursuit of your dreams, and my hope is that love surrounds you this Christmas. To those who have traveled for medical intervention and are now abroad throughout this Christmas season, know that you are in my thoughts and prayers. I understand that this is a difficult time, and this is exactly the time that you need to remember that hope and gratitude is your friend. You are never alone. Give thanks for life and be hopeful for a full recovery to be able to return home in the bosom of your family and friends. And for those of us who are facing loss of a loved one, family, or friend, know that you are also not alone and that this too shall pass. No matter what, giving up hope is not an option. You are stronger than you know, and perspective is everything. We never know what we will face or what we can face until we have to. In time, you will look back on these days and realize that you have made it through. Choose to live, love, forgive, and take that next step, acknowledging your pain and allowing yourself the time to heal, but remembering always that joy comes in the morning. And with faith and hope, all suffering can be overcome. Indeed, the holidays are special. Whomever you are, wherever you are, and whatever you have gone through this year, this particular time of year has the power to remind us that in all our trials and difficulties, there is so much to be grateful for, and there is still so much good in this world. In the spirit of giving, the season of love, and most importantly, a time which represents hope. Hope to you, hope to me, hope to the entire world. While we gather with friends and family this year, in the spirit of Christmas, let us be reminded that COVID-19 is still a threat and that we must celebrate safely. Take this time to show gratitude as a nation for God's blessings, gratitude for life, love, family, health, and all our blessings, including the lessons from which we can grow. On behalf of the government of St. Maarten and my family, I wish you hope, joy, health, and love this holiday season. Happy holidays, St. Maarten, and a safe and Merry Christmas. May God continue to bless us all and keep her people safe.